Are you ready for an adventure that's out of this world? Join us on a magical journey with Jack, Annie, and a group of curious young explorers in our To the Moon with Jack and Annie book club class. Dive into Magic Treehouse, number 8 midnight on the moon before class, and then bring your imagination to life with us. We've got trivia that will challenge each member's knowledge of the book, Midnight on the Moon, and quotes that will make you feel like you're right there with Jack and Annie. We'll get creative and craft your very own paper rocket. Then, watch it soar into the skies with just a puff of air from a straw. How high can your rocket fly? While crafting, we'll have a book-based discussion that takes you deeper into the adventure. Share your favorite moments, learn from your friends, and get ready for the next magical journey. Embark on this reading adventure that's both fun and educational. Perfect for young astronauts aged 6 to 10 years old. Join To the Moon with Jack and Annie, and let your imagination take flight.